kind of leave your money and property to your kids when you pass on.
But have you ever thought of what would happen if that inheritance and a child gets maybe divorced or there's a lawsuit brought against them?
Well, Attorney Justin Randall is here from Hooper Law with the answers to these questions. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, we mentioned divorces and lawsuits. What type of situations can really put inheritances for children at risk?
Yeah, so divorce and lawsuits are a big one. Even the most responsible kids can get a divorce or get sued for a car accident or, something happens on a property. Another big one is filing for bankruptcy. Medical debt is a huge issue, and even, again, it can unexpectedly happen. So there's a lot that can place these sorts of things at risk.
Financial predators, another one, or
absolutely.
high liability careers even.
Yes, yeah, such as attorneys, right?
Okay. I was thinking maybe physicians with all the insurance they have to get, but yeah, I mean, you never know.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk a bit about how estate planning now, though, can really protect some of those assets.
So the issue is a lot of people, their estate plan involves either a will or they just have beneficiary designations on all of their accounts. The issue is that if you have a will or you don't have a will at all, you're sending your assets through probate. So probate is a completely public process. Anybody can go and look up the value of the estate, the accountings, and where you're leaving things to. So information-wise, there's a lot at risk.
Okay. Now, is trust an option, and
Yes.
are they kind of expensive, though?
Yeah, so a trust is the alternative to a
Okay.
will. A trust is a completely private process. It doesn't go through probate at all. There's no court involvement. Trusts, the common misconception is that they are more expensive.
Okay.
It's true that they're more expensive up front. You generally pay more for a trust to set one up than you do for a will. But the issue is that probate itself is so much more expensive than administering a trust that overall a will in the long run does end up being more expensive. The average cost is anywhere from 3 to 6% of the estate to go through probate.
Okay.
Now, what if we have some of these documents already in place, or we have at least the bare bones of a will? Can your team kind of take that and build on it?
Yeah, we review plans from, that people have had in place for years. The most common situation I see is someone had a will set up when their kids were minors and 30 or 40 years have passed and obviously their lives have changed. So an estate plan is an evolving process. It's not going to be stagnant throughout your entire life. So we commonly do review these and make changes to fit where they currently are in their life.
How often do you think we should review our plans?
Definitely every 3 to 5 years.
Okay.
I mean, a lot changes in that period of time. Maybe your life doesn't change at all, but the laws do. A lot of times too, situations that we've dealt with our clients, we've added language to make them easier to use in the future as well. So things change.